Everybody sit down.
She was one of the torch bearers today. When she had the Chinese torch in her hand, she took out a Tibetan flag and rejected the torch.
Rangzen. Free Tibet. Free Tibet. I love you too. It was an honor, and one that I couldn't pass up, because I'm a civil rights activist here in this country. And I work for environmental justice. On the other coast, but also here, and also around the country with a group called Green for All. But all I know is that just because there are a lot of folks out here that want to pretend that what's going on in China, that just because the Olympics are going there, that we need to pretend that human rights abuses are happening, that environmental abuses are happening, that we're supposed to pretend that it doesn't happen. But we here, and lots of people around the world know what's going on, and we won't be silent anymore. I only wish that I was able to carry the torch a little bit more for you.
Thank you.
But don't worry, the spirit that was in it is going to China, and that flame is just going to get bigger, and that spirit is going to get bigger, and we're going to do just fine. Stay strong, people, please.
Free Tibet! 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 Pagalong! 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 Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Free Tibet! Thank you.
I don't think it's
Well, let's walk towards the sidewalk.
Excuse me. What is your message for the Tibetans in Tibet?
We love you. Stay strong. We're going to be with you.
Thank you. Free Tibet.
Free Tibet.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Oh.